So when the blood comes in the right ventricle, when it comes from left atrium to left ventricle, when it filled with the blood, it will again closed. These are the walls, these will again closed, and when the pressure of blood is here more, so it will just flow through this is called aorta, right? This vein, so this is called aorta. So aorta carry oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. It will carry oxygenated blood to all parts of body. Okay, I think this is clear to all of you. Let me explain again. Deoxygenated blood from the upper portion or the lower portion is come to the upper chamber of the heart, that is atrium. Here deoxygenated blood come, and after that it will go to the lower chamber, that is right ventricle. In right ventricle, it will fill and pump out by the pulmonary artery to the lungs. So this is basically deoxygenated blood, and pulmonary arteries take deoxygenated blood to the lungs, and after lungs oxygenate the deoxygenated blood, and pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood from lungs to the heart. So they carry oxygenated blood to this upper portion, that is left atrium, and after that blood will flow here, that is left ventricle, and these are the walls, they will again closed when this is filled. So when the pressure is high, the blood will flow through the aorta and it will go to all parts of the body. So students, this is all about the function of heart. This is repeat 2 times in heart, right? 2 times in humans. So it is called double circulation. It is called double circulation because it goes through the heart twice during each cycle in vertebrates, right? So it is also known as double circulation. I hope this is clear to all of you.